Hello, it is mid-April in Rhode Island at Jens's Garden, and you might be looking at a bunch of dead things. I haven't cleaned up my garden beds yet. I give it a little time. I like to let nature do its thing. It's kind of self-mulch, if you would. What we are looking at, though, is sage. So this is my sage bush. And you see some are nice actually in green. Some are dead, and that should be expected. But it is starting to come back to life. So sage, look how rough it is. Almost silvery in a way. And then a good sign too, so that's the tips. If I'm looking down here, let me find it in my camera lens. So right there my fingers are, I see some little leaves that are starting to sprout. So that is a good sign to me that this plant is definitely going to come back. So I have the tips there. So I'm not going to cut that down right now. I did a good job throughout last year cutting it down. Now right beside it is another sage, and I'm thinking that one did not survive. I'm not seeing any signs of any life coming back, and it probably would just easily pull out. Sage is a hit or miss one for me. I will plant it and will do well several years or a few years. It's not a self-seeder. It does not like to divide by its roots or anything like that. It's just, hopefully it likes the spot that it was in. That's what you kind of hope for, moving around. Yeah. Sage in the early stages. Hope we'll see it again and we'll learn more about it.